How to make beautiful light using one clip-on flash. In this video, we show you how to use a clip-on flash to nicely photograph a subject in a dry flower setting. You can create various light qualities using just one clip-on flash. The final light is very beautiful, so please give it a try. First, we photograph using just the light in the room and no flash. There's a large window on the right side that makes the whole room bright. However, the lights in the room are off and the whole picture looks a little murky. Next, we turn on the clip-on flash and aim it directly. Direct light from a flash is very hard and ends up creating hard shadows on the background. It doesn't look right all around. The direct flash temperature is also high and it ended up looking a bit blue. Next, we aim the clip-on flash towards the ceiling and bounce the light from there. Because we bounce the light, it's become a little more of a warm tone. The light is softer and it's landing on the subject well, but the dry flowers look dark. Next, we try bouncing the clip-on flash on the left wall. The flash is about 1 meter distance from the wall. The light is diagonal, so it has added a three-dimensional look to the subject face. However, perhaps because the flash is close to the wall, the contrast is high and the shadows are darker. The background is a bit dark too. Next, we try bouncing the light off of the wide right side. The light is soft and large and diagonally from the right, so the light hitting the subject looks very nice. However, there's not enough of an impact. We take the clip-on flash off of the camera and attach it to a stand. We bounce the flash off of a high point on the back right wall. The light that hit the wall has become half backlight and the dry flowers are photographed nicely. However, because the light is backlighting, the subject is a bit dark. To make the subject brighter, we place a white reflector board in the front and bounce the light from the back onto it. The backlighting becomes an edge light on the subject here. The whole subject is brighter and it looks very pretty. It looks exactly like we've photographed with natural backlighting. You can capture so many moods using just one clip-on flash. Try using a flash to match the photo you image.